Good morning, everybody. I am Mansi Bhagat, and I am once again here for my live presentation. As we all know that there are various methods of teaching, like the lecture method, demonstration method. There is a question answer method also. Question answer method of teaching is a teaching strategy. Question answer method of teaching is also known as Socratic method of teaching, which helps the teachers to teach in a class. Question answer teaching strategy is an old strategy, also known as Socratic method of teaching, and is developed by famous philosopher Socrates. According to Parquet, the question is the key to all educative activity above the habit skill level. This strategy is focused on to achieve the cognitive objectives and bringing knowledge to the conscious level. This question answer method has following principles. Theory of unfoldment. All knowledge is within the child. Teacher cannot teach anything from outside. Another one is the knowledge can be emitted by linking the questions with his answer. Question answer method is one of the most common methods used by secondary school teachers. The pattern typically begins with the teacher asking a question and then recognizing one student who answers. Also, the teacher reacts verbally in some way to student's response and asks a question to another student who then responds. As in the case of lecture method, teacher may write something on the chalkboard and sometimes the students takes notes. Thus, the working definition for question answer method is the teacher asks a question, one student answers, the teacher reacts and asks another question which is responded to by a second student and so forth. Many teachers believe question answer method is a method that enables the teacher to find out who knows what. Only one student responds at a time. A sample of only one student out of several students. Question and answer method is extremely valuable as a way to guide development thinking, to stimulate creative problem solving, to initiate discussion, and to stimulate and guide recall of requisites needed for the day's lesson. The type of question posed, the preamble to the question posed, and the variety of ways used to encourage and accept responses are all skills that make the differences between the thoughtful and dull sequence. There are different steps of question and answer method. First, to prepare question and arrange them in a logical sequence. Second, to present the question in such a way that curiosity arises among the learners. And the last step is to ask new questions by linking with the learner's response. Now the advantages of question answer method. While asking questions, the teacher keep in mind the abilities, needs and interests of the learner. It involves the learner's participation towards the subject matter and in teaching acts. It helps in achieving cognitive objectives and bringing knowledge at conscious level. Classroom verbal interaction is encouraged. It is a useful strategy at all levels of education. Now the disadvantages of question answer method. It is difficult to prepare good questions and arrange them logically. The whole content matter cannot be taught by this strategy. Also, the teacher wants the structured answers from the learner. There is no freedom for imaginative answers. Some suggestions are given here. Instead of using it independently, this teaching strategy should be supplemented by lecture and demonstration method of teaching. The teacher should be skilled in framing proper question and language of the questions should be clear and unambiguous. The teacher should distribute the questions to the whole class evenly. That's all my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.